Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today I'm going to show you basic way of cooking Indian vegetables with your 4 ingredients, which is turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, and salt, and jeera, the cumin seeds. Very easy to do, and you can do that within 15 minutes. You can cook your vegetable, okay? So let me show you the step by step. Hi guys, so this is the basic way to make any Indian vegetable dish, okay? So we're gonna start with that. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is some jeera seed that you have. So I usually use like 1 teaspoon. I let it crackle. It's very easy to do this. So you can have any vegetable dish. And for the one that I'm cooking today, I am gonna add some onions, okay? So that's optional. You can always use ginger garlic or onion. So for the dish that I'm making today, the vegetable dish, I am going to put some onion. I'm gonna let it become a little translucent. And usually this vegetable dish for my family usually takes me about 15 minutes to cook. So I let the onions cook, and then I'm going to be cooking today. I don't know if you've seen this. This is called lady finger. So usually you wash it, dry it, and cut it, and then you're gonna cook it. So that's what I'm going to cook today for you. And this is just basic way to cook any Indian dish, vegetable. Guys, as you can see, my onions are shiny and translucent. I'm going to add my 4 spices, the basic spices in Indian cooking. Turmeric, half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add some chili powder. As I mentioned, you can always eliminate chili powder if you don't like heat, or add less. Then I add the coriander powder. So after 10 minutes cooking, my vegetable is ready to eat and enjoy. So thank you for watching and sharing my video with your family and friends.